Good morning to everyone. In this session, I'm going to discuss about the topic data structure. The previous session we have discussed about the arrays. Array is the kind of data structure. So, what is data structure? In this session, we are going to discuss about the data structures. Data structure is to be defined as a logical and mathematical model of a particular organization of data is called as data structure. Here, the definition itself, data can be classified into two categories. One is the logical data, other one is the mathematical data. Logical data belongs to the data related with some concept. The programmer is writing a program based on the concept. Then another one is the mathematical data. Mathematical data in the sense to do the mathematical calculations in the form of programming. That may be a mathematical formulas, mathematical derivations, mathematical symbols. All these things are mathematical data. Here, the particular organization, each and every data, whether it may be a logical data or it may be a mathematical data, the representation format of the data is to be varied according to the characteristics of data. Here, the data is classified into two categories. One is the logical data, other one is the mathematical data. So, logical data is having a separate representation format. Mathematical data is having a separate representation format. Logical and mathematical model of a particular organization of data is called as data structure. In the definition, data is classified into two categories. But based on the handling of the data structure is classified into two categories. They are the linear data structure, other one is the non-linear data structure. Linear data structure means the data can be lenient. Data structure is an internal storage structure. So once the data is stored in the data structure, that will be lenient. It means the user can make a modifications among the data which is stored inside the data structure existingly. So that is what linear data structure. Example of linear data structure are stack and queue. The other one is the non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure is a data structure. In this data structure, data will not be lenient. Once the data is stored in a data structure, once the data structure format is framed, data will not be modified. This is stable one. Such kind of data is called as non-linear data structure. Example of non-linear data structure are trees and graphs. The elaborate discussion about the linear data structure and the nonlinear data structure is to be discussed in the next session. Thank you.